High tides and rising sea levels have depleted the shorelines. It is one thing to hear news of a looming disaster. It's another to see the effect in reality. Sunday evening's rains have destroyed several canoes here at Jamestown. It has left many of the fishermen counting their losses. Adira has been fishing for 26 years. Although not surprised by the high tides, he blames the current predicament on the ongoing construction works on the harbour. Some have returned to sea to pick up the pieces, fixing their canoes and contemplating the next move. The Ghana Meteorological Agency has warned that the changing weather conditions would severely impact the fishers. For the fisher folk, extending the sea defense would give them some respite.
President King Global Dalish. Aga enye gene nuchumu bani sena mo bani baye game alo Ghana mambi shimbo afi abomo ne de hin kwa buka eyin ni kwa buka be fe be na hu twa ejo buka ne ba ogaji ko ojo buka ne gene ba leji ni jole bi efe bote oteneshi e ga fe jula ye ga butu yi obana moko ya fe fite obana moko chonde fe te obana moko elele jula yuete egwele una kan nuchumu ni ndo ge ko ebikebi ejina agba no na ndo ewo wola bi wola cheme genshona hinga yefe osismo jaga kaji wokwe kaje tane ni mashi eje ne nike afeto mo afo tane na afo no eko yale ka potential mi nike ko na afeto mo bumi lo yale ko na afo ni ko bote mi ke ko yo mbapo ko ni woni bi enu ga tun ni e abase na mo shina na shini wodo mo ga no ni ya no. They want immediate intervention.